How to configure the Optigo 10. Control Mode 5 – Domestic Hot Water Control. Welcome to Regin Academy. In this video, you will learn how to set up the last of the 5 available control modes on the Optigo 10 – Domestic Hot Water Control. In Mode 5, the program is preset to use a 0 to 10 volt signal on analog output 1 and a single sensor for supply water temperature on analog input 1. It is not possible to configure a 3-point signal in this configuration. To enter configuration mode, press and hold the encoder knob for 10 seconds. At 3 seconds, the display will show the clock and scheduler menu. Keep holding the knob depressed. Once in configuration mode, turn and press the knob to select Control Mode 5. Since so much in Mode 5 is preset, the device goes straight to menu 5.4, where the P-band is defined. The P-band is the proportional deviation required for the output signal to go from 0 to 100%. A higher P-band results in slower control, and vice versa. A common issue occurs when the system uses a very large valve, which results in a high flow even when it's just slightly opened. In that case, we can raise the P-band to open the valve at a slower rate, giving the controller a chance to detect the change in temperature and stop opening the valve. In menu 5.5, we set the I time, which determines how fast the output signal changes. A lower I time results in faster adjustments, and vice versa. In this configuration, menu 5.6 is where we set the D factor, which is specific to domestic hot water control on the Optigo. If configured, this value adds a derivative factor, which predicts future error by looking at the rate of change of the error signal. This helps to dampen fluctuations and reduce overshoot, which improves the stability of the control system. In menu 5.7, we can choose if the overheating function should be activated or deactivated. By default, this function is on, and its purpose is to heat the domestic hot water tank above 65 degrees for 10 minutes every 24 hours in order to prevent growth of Legionella bacteria. If active, the overheating occurs at 3 AM to reduce the risk of anyone being accidentally scalded when turning on a faucet. The final menu item is the I/O page, where you can check the current values on the inputs and outputs. Lastly, we press OK to confirm the settings made. Following the configuration level, we can set the controller clock. The first variable is the smaller digit, which represents the day of the week. For example, to set it to Thursday, we turn the knob to number 4. After that, we set the hour and minutes. In Mode 5, there are no scheduler options. Press OK to finish the configuration. Back in normal operations mode, push the knob to access the setpoint menu. To adjust the setpoint, push the button once again, then turn the knob to enter the desired setpoint. Press the button again to confirm. And that's it! You have now configured Control Mode 5 on the Optigo 10. Good job! And thanks for watching this video from Regin Academy.